Dear students, today we are going to discuss about chapter 10 Python classes and objects. First you will see what are classes and objects in general, and then we'll see what are classes in Python. We'll learn how to define a classes, how to creating an object and those things. Then we'll see class methods, then finally see constructor and destructors in Python. Now I will move forward and we will see what are classes and objects. First, you will see the introduction. Python is an object-oriented programming language. Classes and objects are the key features of object-oriented programming. Yes, now let us understand what exactly are classes and objects. Basically, classes allows us to logically group up data and functions in a way that is easy to reuse and way to build upon if need to be. Let me explain you this with an example. So we have a class here, that is student, and it has various variables such as name, roll number and total marks. What are objects? Objects are nothing but the instance of these particular classes, that is student class. I will give some examples for what are objects. Objects are the instance of class, and it an example. Class is a student, so the object will be instance of the student class. For example, that is the first object, that is contain the variables such as name Arun and roll number is 10001 and total marks is 425. We have the second object or second instance where name is Bharat, roll number is 1002 and total marks is 389. Similarly, we have one more object. Name is Google and roll number is 1003 and total marks is 455. Now I clearly explain with an example what is instance or objects. Now consider class is a template, and when you fill the details in the class, it becomes a instance or objects. So you can refer the example. So here is a template of students, that is class. All right. It has various fields like name, roll number and total marks. Now when you fill these details, it becomes an instance or objects. For example is object 1 values are name is Arun and roll number is 1001 and total marks is 425. Similarly, we have another two objects. I hope you will clearly understood what are classes and object. So we will move forward and we will see how to actually create a class in Python. This is a syntax for creating a class in Python. Defining a class. In Python, a class is defined by using the keyword class. Every class must have class name followed by colon. First write class keyword, then give unique name, that is class name with colon, and then various variables and functions that you are going to define in your class. Now I tell you practically how to create a class in Python. To open a Python, now file, new, script mode is opened. Now I will write classes in Python. First I will write class keyword, then give unique name, that is class name student with colon. Now I define a variables in the class students. The name is a first variable, equal name equal Raja. So Raja is a string data. So string data must include in singular double quotation. Now I declare second variable roll number. Roll number equal 1001. Now I declare third variable, that is total marks is 425. This is a simple example for creating a classes or defining a classes. Basically, class is a consist of data and functions. Data is stored in a variable. Here is a three datas stored in three different variables, namely name, roll number, and total marks. So variable defined inside a classes is called as class variables, and then functions are defined inside a class, that is called as methods. This program have only three different class variables, no methods here. Now I will tell you what is class members. In a class, variables and class methods are together known as a members of class. So how to access the class members? We have use object. The class members should be accessed through objects or instance of class. A class can be defined anywhere in a Python program.